We bought a house last year in Carlsbad, and it's a small house. It's about 1,200 square feet. So there's not a lot of room when my daughters come to town. So we thought, oh, it'd be great to have a unit over the garage. The garage had to be torn down because the house was from the 1960s. The garage was falling apart. So they built a brand new garage and a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit over the garage, which is perfect for when my daughters come to visit. We were inspired while it was under construction, so I knew it was going to look really nice, and it was beautiful when they finished. There's just, everything about it is amazing. The floor plan is really nice. The fact that it's a single level, and our garage is like an oversized 2-car garage, so we were able to put the 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit above the garage. The deck is in the perfect spot. You can see the ocean from out here. And it's a huge deck, so it's kind of expands the living space. The fixtures are amazing. I went with gold and black matte, and everything about it's really nice. The appliances. I love the front door. I'm really into doors and windows. There's a lot of light in here. I like the high ceilings. The floors are beautiful. It's a nice wood laminate. I put that throughout the entire unit. It's beautiful. They did a great job. When I first talked to people from Snap, they were so professional and friendly, and I thought their price was perfect. We didn't really have any challenges that arose during the project. They were totally easy to work with. I trusted them 100%. I was remodeling the main house at the same time, so I was super busy. So I didn't really have time to go over a lot of details, but they were very helpful with everything, and they pretty much take charge. Definitely would recommend them. In fact, a lot of people that we've met in the neighborhood they drive by and they say, "We love what you've done." And people walking by comment. Glad I chose them.